Hey guys, welcome back to Kart So Indian. If you love powerful scooters and premium rides, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Today, we're checking out something truly special, the Suzuki Burgman 400. This isn't your average scooter. This is a Maxi scooter beast that combines comfort, performance, and luxury all in one. First impression. At first look, the Burgman 400 feels big, bold, and premium. It has a sleek design with sharp LED lights, a large windscreen, and a very comfortable seat. Honestly, this scooter looks more like a touring bike than a regular scooter. Gear, engine, and performance. Now let's talk power. The Burgman 400 comes with a 400 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled engine that produces around 30 horsepower. Twist the throttle and boom, smooth acceleration with zero gears shifting because it's automatic. You can easily ride this scooter on highways at speeds of 140 km per hour, which is insane for a scooter. Comfort and features. This is where the Burgman really shines. You get a super comfortable wide seat, massive underseat storage, fits helmets easily, relaxed riding position for long journeys, advanced features like ABS and traction control. This scooter is built for long rides and daily comfort. Practical use. Whether you're commuting in the city or going on a long trip, this scooter handles everything. It's smooth in traffic, stable on highways, and extremely practical thanks to its storage and comfort. Balance scale. Pros and cons. Pros: powerful engine, premium comfort, huge storage space, easy to ride, automatic. Cons: slightly heavy, expensive compared to small scooters. Final verdict. So, should you buy the Suzuki Burgman 400? If you want a scooter that feels like a luxury bike, gives you highway performance, and offers ultimate comfort, then this is definitely worth it. This is not just a scooter, it's a complete touring machine on two wheels. Outro. Thanks for watching Kart So Indian. Comment below. Would you choose this scooter over a bike? And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing bike and scooter reviews. See you in the next video.